Hold on, severe thunderstorm warning.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Willamette County in central North Carolina, Person County in central North Carolina, northern Orange County in central North Carolina, northern Randolph County in central North Carolina, eastern Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, High Point, Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Roxboro, Hillsboro, Randleman, Mebane, and Elon. Here
First alert of the night.
Moore County in central North Carolina, southeastern Orange County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, southern Granville County in central North Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, Wake County in central North Carolina.
It's for Granville. It's for Granville.
North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina, southwestern Franklin County in central North Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
All right, so I can. All right, hold on a
8:44 p.m.
second.
Eastern Standard
But
Time.
I just got severe thunderstorm for
Thunderstorms were
Granville.
located along a line extending from nearby
Give me a second.
Pinehurst, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, Cary, Chapel Hill, Sanford, Great Moore, Pittsboro, Lewisburg, Lillington, and Carthage.
Second alert of the night.